सुबी रिसेंटली इंस्टा पे लाइव आकर हर्ष एंड वैशाली को एक्सपोज किया और बताया कि कैसे हर्ष ने उसे फेक प्रॉमिसेस किया था बिफोर गोइंग टू स्प्लिट्सविला। ये रही शुभी जोशी की लाइव की एक क्लिप।
I want to make you happy. I want you to trust people. I want you to trust guys. I want you to trust Bombay. And I'll make sure I've liked someone after years. And I really vibe with you. And I want to know you more. And last तक आते आते तो वो उस पॉइंट पे पहुंच गया था जहाँ पे उसने मुझे ये सब बोलना स्टार्ट कर दिया था कि अब तो मुझे शो में जाने का ही मन नहीं कर रहा, अब तो तू मिल गई है मुझे, एंड प्रॉमिस मी दैट यू विल वेट फॉर मी, द ओनली कनेक्शन आई वांट। इस चीज पे I was the one who told him that Harsh, you are going to do Splitsvilla. I genuinely told him you are going to do Splitsvilla, and it's a great show, great platform, and लोग life में एक ही बार करते हैं. So I don't want you to hold back on anything because of me. And I told him that कि go see if you fall in love. It's on you, and I don't think that I'm gonna feel bad about it. I did tell him that, but उस पे उसका जो reply था, that is what assured me about him. उसका उस पे रिप्लाई था कि मुझे कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, इन सब के स्क्रीनशॉट्स है, तो ऐसा भी आप लोग को सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है that I'm lying about anything. I'm just telling you the exact story unfiltered. तो मैंने जब उसको बोला था कि go make a connection, fall in love and everything, promise me that you will not hold back on anything because of me, he kept telling me that no, I only want to play the game, I only want the connection for the game. You promise me you will wait for me, I will not change, promise me that you will also not change. उसने मुझे ये स्टेटमेंट्स दिए थे कि तू भी चेंज नहीं होगी, बस मुझे यही चाहिए. एंड आई वाज लाइक यार इसको, आई वाज लाइक इट्स सो, it gets overwhelming at times, right? And I was coming out of a relationship which was around 3 months old, and it did not work out in whatever way. So I was coming out of that, but I was totally out of it. That relationship ended in October last year. But I was in touch with that guy who I was dating, ठीक है? And we ended up becoming friends because बहुत short term का relationship था हमारा, जिस लड़के की मैं बात कर रही हूँ. It was just 3.5 months. तो उसमें बहुत ज्यादा गहरा प्यार ना उसको हुआ था ना मुझे हुआ था. We maturely decided and we were this, I'm telling you guys because so that ये allegations जो लग रहे हैं that I was into something, I was not into something outside the show. That guy and me, we were very clear that we can't date each other because of whatever reasons we had. But I was still, I can say, yeah, I was still sort of attached to him. And I was trying to come totally out of it so that I can get a guy to marry, of course. Final जो भी करना होता है, मतलब हाँ, of course I always want to get married. So ये चीज़ थी, ये चीज़ हर्ष को क्लियर थी, क्रिस्टल क्लियर. उसको मैंने ये चीज़ें पूरी बताई थी एंड कॉल पे ही बताई थी ये पूरी चीज़ मैंने उसको कि दिस इज द सिचुएशन. आई स्टिल टॉक टू हिम समटाइम्स बट देयर इज नथिंग, ऐसे फीलिंग्स वाली कोई चीज़ नहीं है. बिकॉज I wanted to come clean shit even in front of Harsh कि ये scene हुआ है, and he knew about the entire story, and that's when he told me that I'll make sure you trust people and I'll make sure that you like Bombay, because I was telling him that I don't like Bombay because of the kind of people I've been meeting. And उसके बाद ये सब हुआ. उसके बाद उसका फोन जब सबमिट हो रहा था उसके पहले तक, okay, let me start from there. So they were traveling by bus, and when they were traveling, उस time पे me and Harsh, we kept on talking throughout his journey, and I was the one who told him, Harsh, people are gonna think that you have a girlfriend. Don't talk to me so much because contestants थे उसमें. And I was like, contestants will be like, he has a girl outside and it can come on you. So don't do that. I was telling him that. And he was like, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मुझे बस तुझसे बात करनी है, जब तक मैं कर पाऊँ, जब तक फोन सबमिट नहीं हो रहा. And इतनी चीजें आप किसी को बोलोगे तो obviously I was like, wow, this guy is all about me and he really wants to see me. And he told me things like, I want you to meet my mom, I want you to meet my dog, I want you to meet ऐसे like my family and everything. I was like, okay, he genuinely really likes me, and he told me that wait for me. He legit asked me to promise him to wait for me, and he's telling me that I promise you that I'll come back and win you, promise me you'll wait for me. ये सब उसकी words थे, ठीक है. अब ये सब हुआ, and उसके बाद until he submitted his phone to the production, we were video calling each other. And I'm not someone who would entertain video calls a lot, especially when I'm working. I love being professional when I'm working, but I was working that day. But just because ये लड़का next day जा रहा था, इसका phone submit हो जाता, we were continuously on video calls even during my show. And all my fellow model friends who were there, all my friends who were there, they all saw this thing, ठीक है? And everyone was thinking, सबको लग रहा था कि शुभी की लाइफ में सडनली कौन आ गया, इतना वीडियो कॉल्स एंड एवरीथिंग हो रहा है, because people have not seen me like that. I don't talk a lot to guys. People who know me very well, they know this thing very clear about me. मेरे को जितना काम से काम रहता है उतनी ही बातें होती है, एक्स्ट्रा कुछ नहीं चलता है. वीडियो कॉल्स एंड ऑल तो बिल्कुल नहीं. I'm not judging someone for that, but I am not that person who would do that a lot until I feel for someone. This I told you so that I can tell that I started feeling for him, of course, because of whatever reasons. And feeling नहीं होती तो मैं इतनी बात नहीं, वीडियो कॉल्स एंड नाइट में कॉल्स इतने घंटों वो सब नहीं कर रहे होते. जिस दिन मेरा इनफैक्ट जूम कॉल था MTV की टीम के साथ, 6 बजे हर्ष का मेरे पास मैसेज आ गया था मॉर्निंग में कि आई एम वेरी नर्वस फॉर योर कॉल एंड आई रियली वांट यू टू डू गुड. एंड हर सेकंड में मेरी और उसकी बात हो रही है कि अभी जूम कॉल होने वाला है, कैसा रहेगा. बोथ ऑफ अस वर लाइक वी वर रियली होपिंग कि मेरा हो जाए. एंड फॉर मी, आई एम ऑनेस्टली टेलिंग यू गाइज, मेरे लिए ऐसा नहीं था कि मुझे मर जाऊं, कुछ भी हो जाए, शो में जाना ही है. ऐसा नहीं है. मुझे पता है कि नेक्स्ट ईयर अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगी, नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट ईयर आएगी, जब भी आएगी. आई हैव नेवर बीन डेस्परेट फॉर अ रियलिटी शो. सो my roommates here, yeah, so I've never been desperate for a reality show. And my main reason of wanting to do the show was Harsh and Rushali. Coming to her, she's my flatmate. And I don't know how much should I talk about it, because I think, I don't know, I think I should stick to just talking about Harsh. And yeah, so this was the story, and that is why when I came to the show, I was genuinely hurt, because I was like, ये वही लड़का था जो पूरा मेरे शो में ऐसे आया था फ्लावर्स लेके, पूरा दिखा रहा था that he's all about me. And suddenly I've come to the show and he has just flipped. And it wasn't just about flipping, it was about taunting me unnecessarily. It was about talking to me in a way that no guy should ever talk to a girl like that. It was about giving me false hopes. It was about asking by himself, like promising by himself कि मैं वापस आऊंगा और मेरा वेट करना, and then just switching, and that to my own flatmate. Because उसी टाइम पे when, as Rushali has already mentioned, she was going through something, so Harsh also knew about it. एक और चीज हर्ष की मैं बताती हूँ, the kind of guy he is, okay? So I was telling him that Rushali is going through something and I really want Rushali to do the show, but I'm not sure वो कैसे करेगी, because she's emotionally so weak right now. And he was telling me, imagine, oh god. And he told me उस time पे कि maybe if she doesn't do the show, I think you should tell her to not do the show, because if she doesn't do the show, maybe you can come in the show. And I was like, I can't do that to my friend. I would never do that to a friend कि मैं उसको demotivate करूँ शो में जाने के लिए just ताकि मेरा हो जाए. Not at all. But yes, I really wanted to do the show. And ये story थी. And अभी the problem is that I have to travel. So मैं आगे का बता नहीं पाऊंगी.
शुभी, हर्ष और रुशाली में से आपको कौन सही लगता है और आप किसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हो, हमें कमेंट में ज़रूर बताएं. और ऐसे वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.